Okay, so these are my buckets. The orange ones have clay in them, the white ones have glaze. I need to see what I have going on. I keep thinking I only have brown stoneware, but I know I have white in there. So whatever clay is ready to use, I'm going for it. I need to take what's in here out and then just start reclaiming a new batch of clay. That was some really hard clay, and I got 3 bowls out of it for now, but I'm gonna stop here and just take the remaining 10 2-pounders over to the slab roller and make something else with them. I will get back on the wheel, but today my hands can't do any more. Okay, back for another day. I have some help today. My husband and son are out here to help me just get everything in order. Yesterday was just felt like a challenging day. So here I go, gonna get some stuff done. Oh, I hear some sounds. Hasn't been opened in I can't tell you how long, but come to find out all that clay was holding it captive, and now I have like this panoramic view from my studio. So excited, I can't stand myself. That looks so cool, you guys. Thank you so much. I love it. I'm gonna take this into my studio. It is a stormy day and the cats are starving, but you know what? At the moment, I just wanna get that in there and gonna see what parts I need and order them. Okay, I've had this for a few years, never used it, just kinda kept moving it around, and now it's rusty. I feel kinda bad about that. But the part that is missing is right here. There are 2 little racks that this rests on so that the kiln sitter, see, I don't know if you can see it, it lifts up, and then when it hits heat and then it bends the cone, it stops it. So I'm going to contact whoever I need to find out what parts cost for this. So that is my week. It was kind of a roller coaster week, and it didn't end as I planned. I expected my whole shelf. Let me share it with you real quick here. Yeah, I expected to have more on my shelf than I do. I expected my studio to be clean. I'm still working on that as well. But it's a good thing that I'm taking my time, because I wanted to be ready for what I want to do. New plan. I'm going to see how much I can get done in a week with the clay I have ready, because some of this clay I think is going to take longer to prepare, and that's what I really didn't anticipate. I thought that I would be able to just whip it out and fill all the buckets and have all the clay. I threw those bowls 4 days ago, and they are still wet in my studio. I don't have insulation in here, So it's taking longer to dry things, my grand plans. It's good to have a grand plan, but I do want to make it logical for myself so I'm not stressed and it actually stays fun. Thank you guys for watching this week. Next week is just like, I have about 20 more minutes in this studio cleaning up, and I am going to start making stuff. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.